Hi friends, so till now we have discussed so many network reduction techniques. So let us see what are those techniques in a brief. Network reduction techniques or network analysis techniques. So we have studied series parallel combination, star delta connection, Kirchhoff's current law, Kirchhoff's voltage law, mesh analysis and nodal analysis. So we have studied all these things, so we are very much confident uh, in doing all these problems based on these headings. Okay, for example, one problem has been given under the heading series parallel combination. We can able to do it, so we can easily do that part. Similarly, some problem has been given in terms of resistors and capacitors or inductors. Then if it is not in series and not in parallel, we can simply go ahead with star delta or delta to star connection. And suppose if some currents have been given and he has asked the another current, then we need to go ahead with Kirchhoff's current law. For example, if some voltage have been given and he asked for another voltage, then we need to use Kirchhoff's voltage law. Maybe some circuit has been given and something may be asked, maybe current passing through one resistor or voltage across the resistor or power dissipated by the resistor. Anything, if anything can be asked, now we need to trade off between these two. So mesh analysis and nodal analysis. So mesh analysis is basically the combination of Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's voltage law, and nodal analysis is the combination of Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's current law. So I mean which one is very familiar to you, then you need to go ahead with that method, maybe mesh analysis or nodal analysis. So these are the different methods. If for example one question has been asked and the method has been disclosed to you, then you can easily able to do the problem. But suppose one question has been asked and he hasn't mentioned anything about the problem. That means maybe problem has been given and he told that just to give the answer based on any of these techniques. Then how we need to go ahead? Okay, that thing we need to solve. Actually, I have selected 6 problems and we go ahead with those 6 problems only. And based on the problem, we need to decide which method is applicable for that particular problem. Okay, so let us go ahead in a series of problems. Actually 6 problems are there, so let's see one by one and how this can be done. So this is the clear. Up to now we have studied these techniques. Okay, later we can see the network theorems also, but basically these are the very basic things. So please try to understand this part, and we will go ahead with some problems also. I have already selected 6 problems, so we will go according to those things. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And please follow the upcoming videos also. Actually, they are series of 6 problems. So each problem contains any of these methods. Okay, so please follow those methods also and those videos also. Thank you so much.